Hello!
Hello everybody. Today I proceed to bring you a PSA on the dangers of unsafe drawing. For many generations, our society has seen that many artists have been in great practice of unsafe drawing. We are here to correct that. This message is brought to you by the Cultic Art Association. So let's begin with the basics. We will start with supplies. Please engage with your traditional art supplies carefully. We wouldn't want it getting in your eye now. Would we?
Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! I got it in my eye! I actually got it in my eye! Oh, that's the scariest thing ever, putting your open eyes in running water. It feels like it's still there. Ow! Yes, ow! Is that it? I got it.
Many other risks also come with traditional art supplies. Many traditional art supplies, including paint, contain toxic chemicals that could interfere with your ability to draw. The Cultic Art Association encourages members to use hazmat suits while proceeding in drawing with traditional art. Members who do not wish to engage in this practice must throw away all traditional art supplies in order to prevent accidents. For this reason, the Cultic Art Association directly supports the use of digital art over traditional, due to its overwhelming amount of qualities that make it far less dangerous and less likely to hinder the drawing experience. The next step in proceeding to draw safely directly correlates with the body. Firstly, we ask you to stay hydrated. It is a well-known fact that 90% of the human body is composed of water. The average adult human should consume 2 to 3 liters of water a day for necessary survival. With this knowledge in mind, it is a very crucial fact to stay hydrated so that it does not affect your ability to draw. Next, we will be going over stretching. Stretching is a crucial part of keeping your wrists healthy. But that is not the only part of your body you need to draw. You will also need your head, shoulders, but not your knees and toes. No lower body is needed for drawing. Therefore, you may skip stretching the lower half of your body. Some artists have reported pain in the lower half of their body. Do not mind this. Pain is only temporary, and decay does not take forever. The Cultic Art Association has a recommended allotted time for holding each stress. We call it the TikTok rule, as you will only be holding the stretch for 15 seconds. If you are unable to perceive the concept of time, allow me to demonstrate. That was about 15 seconds. I will now proceed to demonstrate the stretches using a subject of mine. Please note that the original sources of the stretches will be in the description. Our final step has to do with enlightening the soul. Please proceed in setting up an artistic ritual. To appease your art god so that they may spread some skill onto you and enlighten your soul so that you may proceed to the next level of artistic ability. This is it for the message brought to you by the Cultic Art Association. Please consider sharing this message to other artists so that they may be enlightened. Have a nice day, fellow artists.